In this video, we're going to create a beautiful slide for your presentation. This slide is perfect for showcasing team members or any individuals. If you want to make it more visually appealing and effective, follow along as we enhance this slide. First, we'll set up shapes for each of the 3 individuals. We'll remove the outlines and create 3 shapes, one for each person. We'll carefully align them to ensure the design looks clean and professional. Now we'll add a round shape, drawing it so it overlaps the existing 3 shapes. We'll remove the outline of this circle and change the color. Next, we'll select all 3 shapes along with a circle, go to Shape Format, and merge them using Fragment. We'll repeat this process to make sure everything is properly combined. Once the outer sections of the shapes are removed, we'll change the color to make the design stand out. Now, it's really starting to come together. Finally, we'll place the individual images and text onto the slide, rearranging everything so that it fits perfectly. Here's the finished design. Compare it to the previous version, and you'll see a big difference in how much more refined and attractive it looks.